Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram profile at music option not showing. So at first open Instagram. So some people not showing to music option. So click on to edit profile. Then not showing here to add music option. So now I'm provided some tricks. If you want to follow my all tricks, then you can gain the success. So let's get start. Go back. So look here, this account is professional account. So first of all need to turn on to personal account. Go to Play Store, search it to Instagram, check your Instagram latest version. Now I'm already update my Instagram, so go back. So the third option, go to setting option, find app management, app list, scroll down, find in Instagram, click on to clear data and clear cache. So at the last option you need to first uninstall your Instagram and then reinstall your Instagram and then trying to log in. Now I am already uninstall my Instagram and then reinstall Instagram and log in my account, and now check this account. Okay, now finally showing to the music option. So I hope you can follow my all process very carefully, then you can get add music option. So that's it, that's how you can do it.